Love it, Jericho, tuwang-tuwa sa cooking session ng magkapatid na sina Janine at Max Gutierrez. Sa pinaka-latest vlog nga ng kapamilya actress na si Janine Gutierrez sa kanyang YouTube channel titled Cooking in My New Kitchen, Sibling Challenge, kung saan ibinahagi rin ng actress ang short video sa kanyang Instagram account. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ng dalaga, Cook with Me, Episode 2, starring my little sister at Max D. Gutierrez, up now on the YouTube channel. This time, it's a cook-off who makes the better carbonara. Tama ba yung cheese na gagamitin ko? Watch now.
We're gonna cook Argon challenge.
Oh, she stole the big burner!
Guys, hindi na siya namamansin. Ano nagagawin natin?
The year has been great.
This is cook because she wants. This is cooking for the family so they stay alive.
So who is the better cook? And carbonara is one of our faves.
Guys, I really wanted to make adobo, but she said, I don't know how to cook adobo. I know how to cook salmon.
I've never cooked adobo. Kasi sa cooking school, French yung cuisine.
Nakakatuwa nga ang naging bonding ng magkakapatid na kahit ang tawa ni Janine ay nakakadala. Ayon nga kay Janine, mas magaling daw magluto si Max kesa sa kanya na siya daw ay nag-aral pa sa French Culinary School while si Max naman ay hindi pa pumapasok sa cooking school. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales sa naging bonding ng magkakapatid kung saan kasama rin nila sina Jessica at Chego Gutierrez na silang dalawa ang naging judge at magbibigay ng grade kung sino ang pinaka-best na luto ng carbonara which is favorite nilang lahat. Kung saan nagkomento pa nga si Echo ng at Max D. Gutierrez with laughing emoji na pinutakti naman ang kanilang mga fanay. At Jericho Rosales official, Echo, ang ganda-ganda ni Nini, grabe. At Max D. Gutierrez, uy, chef. At Max D. Gutierrez, ang ganda ng boses mo. I love she way she love. Napakasaya lang. OMG, super cute. Grabe, super cute na magkapatid. Nini, parang bata. Baby face talaga. OMG, finally, chef. Janine Gutierrez and Chef Max D. Gutierrez. You're both pretty. Another vlog. Yay! Thank you. Adobo, next, French version. Super, duper, cute nyong magkapatid. Your sister like Margaret Quayle. OMG, the twins. Nakakahawa yung tawa ni Janine. Chef Nini is in the house. Ang sarap talagang tumawa. At Janine Gutierrez, kayo Nani at Jericho Rosales official ang magluto ng adobo at si Max D. Gutierrez naman ang mag-judge. Shout out there in Hong Kong lang naman, Irish and Tyrone. Watch it, love it, excited for upcoming adobo challenge. Love you for cutie. That laugh of her was so real. Love you Janine. Kinikilig ako kasi Team Cibis talaga. I wish, Echo naman. I think adobo is the easiest to cook Pinoy dishes. Hello, Chef Janine and Max. Pustahan tayo, trending to. Sana ikaw, Diego, itry mo ring magluto. Nice bonding. More vlogs with your siblings. Dan, ang saya lang na magkakapatid na mag-English speaking. OMG, both are so pretty. Ganda ng kapatid ni Janine, parang may hawik kay Janine. Para talaga kayong kambal ng little sister mo. Twins, best cooking show. Nadadala ako sa tawa ni Janine. Super sweet nyong mag-siblings. I admire your parents. Tweet. Pamilya gwapa. Ganda ng boses ni Max. Tiyak, ganda niya rin kumanta. So eto nga guys, ang napakasayang bonding ng magkakapatid kung saan ikinatuwa ni Echo. Sana nga sa next naman ay kasama ring magluto si Jericho, ang Adobo Challenge French version. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.